Hey everyone, what's up? It's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a little bit of a different kind of video. The topic isn't necessarily reality TV related. It's more pop culture, entertainment, current event related. And I do these types of videos from time to time. So I wanted to get on here and talk about just one topic relating to the Johnny Depp Amber Heard defamation trial, because it has really taken TikTok, social media, the interwebs by storm. What I wanted to talk to you guys about today is the fact that Milani Cosmetics, the manufacturer of the color corrector compact that one of Amber Heard's attorneys held up in opening statements, actually issued via TikTok a rebuttal to the claim that this was the color correcting compact that Amber had been carrying around to disguise bruises that she received at the hands of Johnny Depp. The Johnny Depp Amber Heard defamation lawsuit has just entered its third week out of an expected 6-week duration. This is truly gonna be a very, very lengthy trial. Johnny Depp is suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for defamation stemming from a 2018 op-ed article that Amber penned for the Washington Post. In return, Amber is countersuing Johnny for also defamation. And when I tell you that the dirty laundry is being aired, it is being slung, aired, and whipped around in our face. It is at times fascinating to see, kind of how the other half lives, but also mostly cringe and uncomfortable because we truly are given a front row seat to the interworkings of an extremely toxic relationship. Since Amber filed for divorce in 2016, she has maintained that Johnny has been physically abusive towards her during her marriage. There have been police incidents with law enforcement called. She did obtain a TRO, a temporary restraining order, at one point, and this really led to the end of Johnny Depp's career. So hence why Johnny is suing her for defamation with malice, because he was dropped from a lot of projects, and, it really has put a cloud over his reputation in the industry. Well, Milani Cosmetics has entered the chat. During opening statements, Amber Heard's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, had this to say about Heard's claims.
Now, you also heard them say that all kinds of people saw Amber that week, and she didn't have any bruises on her face. Well, let me show you this. This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp. She's an actor. Do you honestly think she would have left her apartment ever without makeup? Do you think that she ever would have wanted other people to see her bruises and her cuts? This was what she used. She became very adept at it. And you're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises as they developed in the different coloring, and how she would use these to touch those up to be able to cover those. She also used concealer, foundation. You'll hear from her makeup person that Amber didn't even leave her bedroom without having foundation on. And one of the people that was at the building testified. He said she had makeup on and it would have covered that bruise.
Milani Cosmetics took to TikTok to disprove lawyer's claim. So essentially, the TLDR of kind of the background of their relationship timeline is that in 2009, I believe it was, Johnny and Amber met on the set of Rum Diary. They started dating, or they became romantically involved, in 2012. They were engaged in 2014. They married in 2015, and Amber ultimately filed for divorce in 2016. Well, this specific Milani Color Correcting palette that Amber's attorney held up was not released until 2017. If you are following the trial closely like I am, it has truly been a wild ride. As Johnny Depp, he actually just finished up his cross-examination and redirect today. So we are just now getting into other witnesses. Amber Heard has not taken the stand yet. So really all we've heard on her side is cross-examination of Johnny Depp's team's witnesses and the opening statements. We have not heard from her directly yet. Will this play out? Will she be asked about this discrepancy when it's her turn on the stand? That is something we will wait to see. Now, per TMZ, and I'll link the TMZ article down below, as of 8:30 a.m. Pacific time, a friend of Amber's told TMZ, quote, Miss Heard's lawyer was using an example of the kind of makeup that she used, but it's a sad day when a makeup company uses that as an opportunity to make light of what victims of domestic violence have to do to hide the results of the abuse they endure, end quote. Now, I take issue with that. Let's replay what Amber's lawyers said.
This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp.
It is, in my opinion, very clear that Amber Heard's attorney states that that was the cosmetic color correcting palette that she was using during these times where she was receiving physical mistreatment at the hands of her husband, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp has maintained since they were going through their divorce, since Amber first made these accusations, he has maintained that he has never physically laid a hand on her. And there are allegations that are circulating that Amber could have possibly faked her injuries. There is no criminal court proceedings in this matter. All that's up for discussion in this case is the defamation. They are going to talk about, there is he said, she said about who's lying. A lot of stuff is coming out in audio recordings and text message screenshots. So really that is up to the court of public opinion. What I will say is quite crystal clear from the audio recordings and the text messages that have been admitted into evidence that we have seen and heard is that these two were in an incredibly toxic relationship. As a result of the divorce proceedings, the allegations, just the whole demise of the relationship, Johnny was let go from the Pirates franchise, from the Fantastic Beasts franchise. And this is the reason why he is suing his ex-wife. It's for the financial damage to his reputation. He has said that no matter if he wins or loses this lawsuit, his reputation is irrevocably damaged. And I can't really say that I can argue with that. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. Are you guys following this lawsuit as closely as I am? I am streaming it. I have it on in the background at work. I just find it incredibly fascinating just to hear about the pure opulence of the lifestyle that Johnny and Amber lived. And then, on the other hand, it's so incredibly uncomfortable to hear about the just turmoil that they put each other through. And it's a trial unlike anything we have ever seen before. So if you are interested in this, I am streaming it. I'm watching I think she calls it gavel to gavel coverage from Emily D. Baker. I like it because, if you're not a legal expert or haven't gone to law school or don't know a lot of legal terminology, she really breaks it down in an easy understand manner for the average lay person. So I really appreciate that. I highly recommend Emily D. Baker if you guys aren't already watching her, which you probably are. Anyways, guys, again, let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Reality Squad, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a good one. Much love.